Are you looking for healthy lunch ideas for school that are both delicious and easy to prepare? Let's dive into some tasty options that your kids will love. First up, let's talk about wraps. Whole grain tortillas are a fantastic base. You can fill them with lean proteins like turkey or chicken, add some fresh veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and cucumbers, and finish it off with a spread of hummus or avocado. Roll it up tightly, slice it in half, and you have a nutritious wrap that's easy to eat on the go. Next, consider bento boxes. These are perfect for packing a variety of foods. Start with a protein source like hard-boiled eggs or grilled chicken strips. Add some colorful veggies like cherry tomatoes, carrot sticks, and snap peas. Include a small portion of whole grain crackers or brown rice for carbs. For a sweet treat, throw in some fruit slices or berries. This way, your child gets a balanced meal with different flavors and textures. How about a pasta salad? Use whole grain or legume-based pasta for added fiber and protein. Toss it with diced vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and olives. Add some cubed cheese or chickpeas for extra protein and drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for flavor. This dish can be made ahead of time and tastes great cold. Another great option is homemade mini pizzas. Use whole grain English muffins as the base. Spread some tomato sauce on top, sprinkle with cheese, and add toppings like spinach, mushrooms, or pepperoni. Bake them until the cheese is melted, then pack them in an insulated container to keep them warm until lunchtime. Don't forget about smoothies. They're not just for breakfast, they make a great lunch option too. Blend together some spinach or kale with frozen fruits like bananas and berries. Add yogurt or milk for creaminess and a scoop of nut butter for healthy fats. Pour it into a thermos to keep it cool until lunchtime. For something sweet yet healthy, try energy bites. Combine oats, nut butter, honey, and mix-ins like chocolate chips or dried fruit. Roll them into small balls and refrigerate them overnight. They're perfect for a quick snack during lunch. Lastly, let's not overlook the classic sandwich but give it a healthy twist. Use whole grain bread and layer it with lean meats like turkey or chicken breast along with plenty of veggies such as lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Swap out mayonnaise for mustard or Greek yogurt to cut down on calories while adding flavor. Remember to involve your kids in the lunch-making process. Let them choose their favorite ingredients from these options so they feel excited about what they're eating at school. If you enjoyed these healthy lunch ideas and found them helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun recipes and tips. We'd love to hear from you too. Drop your favorite healthy lunch ideas in the comments below.